Response to rising power cable cost in all over world. Albiso is providing specialized busbar systems as a cost-efficient power delivery solution for passenger hoists and tower cranes. These systems replace traditional trailing cables with rigid, enclosed conductor rails, significantly reducing long-term operational expenses. We assured 1-year warranty on product also offers after-sales service and ready stock spare parts. Albiso is the biggest stockist and sole distributor of busbar. Free to call and book the order.